So in order to join a car club, the first thing you need to get is, well, a car, duh. And then once that is done, and once you've joined the car club, the next thing that you need to get is your personalized t-shirt. I mean, what's the point of joining a car club without a personalized t-shirt, right? Now, you may be thinking, where do we get these things? Right here behind me, Punchlines Galore. Let's check them out. I'm here with Thami, who is the owner of Punchlines Galore. And just look at me, man. I'm swaggered out. I'm dressed in his gear right now. Thami, shapu zeplaya.
Shop boy.
Away.
Not playing.
So tell me about Punchlines Galore. How long have you had it open for?
I think this year Ikichimisa 6 years.
Yeah, 6 so since 2010?
Yeah, since 2010. My slogan city since 20-something.
Okay. No, you don't get it. You don't know exactly where. So tell me, why did you open up a t-shirt company? Or is it a t-shirt company like Uspanangan?
Grand calling a t-shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, initially we t-shirt, and then now we are cool like a man singing the impasha. Then we have my jackets for his colo,
okay.
Jackets for his Amazon, like yeah, singing a fashion.
Why do you like working with Amaka clubs?
Amaka clubs, Amaka clubs anginceda kakhulu ngoba ama-car clubs eza ngenamba, ama-car clubs ane-influence ebhaya la uhamba khona, yabo, so ku-easy for mina ukuthi ngizimakhethe through bona. Ngoba nabafika la bafika nje bafuna ikhiphi ezibhaya, ngizisho ukuthi ngibanike the best, and then baqhubeke-ke baya futhi bayazula, bahamba zula akusikwa-Thema kuphela, bayaphuma nje yabona baye kwamanye amalokishi.
I'm with Sipo, and he is part of Team Nissan. Rasibs.
Itza.
Shabuze Fito. Good, man. Tell me about Team Nissan, yeah?
Team Nissan was started about 2 or 3 years back. In fact, we copied the team from Cape Town, and there's also a team from Johannesburg.
Okay.
So now we started Team Nissan East Rand.
Yeah. Tell me about this design over here. Who was in charge of the design?
The design was done by Thami.
Okay.
Thami, I met him because he's my neighbor. When I arrived here, I talked to him about branding Team Nissan. Then he gave me a few ideas of what to do. So he gave me this design, and there are a few more designs, maybe 3 of them. I got them from Thami.
Okay, sure, Sbuda. Singukhombe ukuthi ngisha kanjani i-print. So sizoprinta the Golf.
Okay.
Yeah. So say pull your color,
Oh, this is the first one?
Yeah, and then we're supposed to like njenge pen available.
Okay, so you have to do 2 codes.
Yeah, first code.
I'm here with the feisty Zama, and she is a model for Punchlines Galore. Zama,
Hi, Sbu.
how you doing, girl?
I'm great.
So what kind of things do you do as a model?
We do photo shoots no Thami for branding yakhe, obviously for ukuthi abantu bazobona impahla bazozithenga and stuff. Yeah, that's what I do with Thami.
Do you like the fact that you get to have different looks all the time?
Yes, it's actually
It's amazing.
amazing.
Okay,
yeah.
let's get a turnaround. Let's see how models look. Come on, now.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate the fact that you are contributing to Kasi car culture and also uplifting your Kasi. I mean, you can make tops for everybody now, which is amazing. So keep pushing, my brother. Keep pushing. Kasi car culture is not only about cars, but it's also about the lifestyle that surrounds them. And nothing says lifestyle like clothes and fashion. Now, you saw the models behind me in there. They're piping hot and looking good. Hey, is that one like Kwa-Thema, man? You know what? Next time you see a group of guys just rocking out their car club gear swag, it means that Kasi car culture is still alive.